student. Today is the subject business study. We will learn the second chapter, forms of business organizations. Okay. In the previous class, we will learn difference between private company and public company. Today's class, we will learn the meaning of promotion. Who is proprietor? What is the meaning of promotion? Pravartan. Actually, the promotion is the first stage in the formation of the company. Wherever a person or a number of the person think about the formation of a company, when is essential to think about the scope of the business, about the availability of raw materials, about its capital, all the legal formalities to be observed. The person who take pains in fulfill all these activities are known as promoters. प्रवर्तन, कंपनी के निर्माण संबंधी जो प्रारंभिक क्रिया होती है, फर्स्ट स्टेज होती है, उसे ही हम कहेंगे प्रमोशन. ओके. और द पर्सन हु टेक द फुलफिल ऑल दिस एक्टिविटी, वह पर्सन जो कंपनी के निर्माण संबंधी पूरी एक्टिविटी को फुलफिल करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रमोटर्स. ओके. हु इज प्रमोटर्स? प्रमोटर इज नॉट अ लीगल नेम, but they businessmen to give birth to a company after securing business knowledge of the world. Promoters वह व्यक्ति होता है जो कंपनी को गर्भ रूप देते हुए उसे एक आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन के रूप में लाता है, that is called promoters. Okay. What is the rights of promoters? First, right to get preliminary expenses. Actually, promoters have the rights to get payment regarding the expenses incurred in the promotion of company in the preliminary expenses. जो प्रवर्तन संबंधी एक्सपेंसेस हैं वो पूरे पेड करने का कार्य जो है प्रमोटर्स ही करेगा. एनी इंस्ट्रक्शन of cases maintain the article related the expenses must be followed. First, rights of promoters हमने देखा कि जितने भी ओपनिंग एक्सपेंसेस हैं उनको पेड करने का कार्य प्रमोटर्स ही करेगा. देन नेक्स्ट, राइट्स टू रेमुरेटेड. एक्चुअली सिंस द प्रमोटर्स टू hard to get the company in corporated, they have rights to remunerated. They can remunerated by ways of companies share a profit, lump sum, etc. Then third, rights regarding third parties. Till the companies comes into existence, a promoters has the rights to get the amount from third parties against the transactions done with them. So three rights of promoters. Okay. First, rights to preliminary expenses. Then second, rights to remunerated. Then third, rights regarding third parties. Okay. Then next topic, liability of promoters. The following are the important liabilities our promoters may be required on in the process of the formation of the company. First, disclose and pay the secret profit. If the promoters has earned some secret profit during the course of the promoter's activity, he is very much expected to disclose this profit to the company एज अ सरेंडर द अमाउंट रिसिव्ड बाय हिम एज अ प्रॉफिट। ये फर्स्ट लाइबिलिटी है उसका। देन सेकेंड, पर्सनल लाइबिलिटी टिल अ preliminary construct are approved। Second, company set next, liability of non-compliance of prospectus। Then third, liabilities on purchase of assets। Then next, liabilities on report of liquidator। Then last, punishment to promoters due to the negligence or deliberate attempt in certain losses and cases of the company, promoters are liable to get good the losses caused to the proposed company। Then next, liability of non-compliance of prospectus, if company of shareholder are subject to certain losses due to the non-compliance of the formation of the prospectus, such losses will have the compensation of the promoters। Okay, then next, punishment of promoters, if any information given its prospectus, if according to section 63 of Companies Act, a promoters can be punished of ₹5,000। मैंने आपको ये बताया कि प्रमोटर्स के लाइबिलिटीज़ क्या है, हाउ मेनी लाइबिलिटीज़ ऑफ प्रमोटर्स। तो मैंने बताया कि डिस्क्लोज एंड पेड द सीक्रेट प्रॉफिट, अगर वो किसी तरीके से सीक्रेट प्रॉफिट अर्न करता है तो उसको कंपनी को जो है वो बताना होगा। देन नेक्स्ट, कंपनी से कंपनसेशन पाने का ड्यू टू रिलीजेंस ऑफ सेलिब्रेटेड अटेम्प्ट्स इन सर्टेन लॉसेस ऑफ केसेस इन द कंपनी, अगर किसी प्रकार से उसको नुकसान होता है तो ऐसी स्थिति में वो फर्म से कंपनसेशन भी उनको प्राप्त करने की लायबिलिटी होगी। तो ये हमने देखा आपका लायबिलिटी ऑफ प्रमोटर्स। देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, फंक्शन ऑफ प्रमोटर्स, प्रमोटर्स के वर्क। एक्चुअली द फंक्शन ऑफ प्रमोटर्स डिस्कस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्टेबलाइजिंग companies and make efforts of consult and discuss and feasibility of the ideas। The next, selection of the first director and proposed company, second function। Then third, select the name, the address of the company along with the proposed authorized capital of the company। Then next, prepare a memorandum and article of association। Then next, appointment of bankers, brokers, advisor and the affairs of company। Then next, determination of minimum subscriptions and gear of the activities related to the issue of share। Then fixing of रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस ऑफ द कंपनी। तो मैंने ये बताया कि जो एक प्रमोटर्स होता है, प्रवर्तक, उसके बहुत सारे फंक्शंस हैं। ये फंक्शंस आपको अच्छे से याद करने। ओके, थैंक यू।